Fellow explorers of the ancient world, welcome to our journey through the mystical realm of the ancient Celtic Pantheon. We invite you to step back in time, immersing yourselves in a tapestry woven from legends, rituals, and the vibrant spirituality of the Celtic peoples. The Celts, thriving across Europe from ancient times, possessed a mythology as rich and diverse as the landscapes they inhabited. In this presentation, we will delve into the intricate network of gods and goddesses who occupied the heavens and the earth, revealing a pantheon that not only influenced the beliefs of their followers, but also shaped the very fabric of their daily lives. From the formidable and wise Tuatha De Danann to the nurturing, yet fierce embodiments of nature, we will uncover the stories of divine beings who served a multitude of roles: guardians of the land, protectors of the hearth, and champions of the arts. As we traverse the ancient hills and sacred groves, we will explore how these deities interacted with one another and with humanity, their narratives interwoven with the cycles of nature and the rhythms of existence. Through their myths, we will gain insight into the values, fears, and aspirations of a people deeply connected to the world around them. Join us as we embark on this captivating exploration of the ancient Celtic pantheon, a journey that promises not only to illuminate the past, but also to enrich our understanding of the enduring power of mythology in shaping culture and identity. Together, let us unlock the mysteries of the Celts and celebrate the divine beings who have left an indelible mark on history and the human spirit.